Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get football merch from the football club event in Heartopia. If you go to the events section here, there's the football club one. So if you want these ones, you do have to purchase using the Moonlight Crystals. So I did just redeem a lot, but I'm not sure if I want to purchase any of them because I'm not a very big fan of football. But I will purchase from the section over here. It says Astor Football Cup Limited. Go purchase. We have a glow stick. So I think it's like not the glow sticks that we have that is like only one use, I think. We have a goalkeeper's jersey. We have then some actions as well. So let's purchase that. I really need a cook because I only have 10,000 gold left. So I'm just going to put on the outfit and I'll be right back to show you guys the actions. Okay, so since it's brighter in my room, I'm just going to show you the actions here. So we have this one. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. A. Okay, we have that one. And then we also have this one. Okay, work it, girl. And then we have this one. Is that it? Oh. Oh my gosh. Waka waka eh. Samina. Isn't that like the dance? Yeah, that is. Okay, that's cute. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.